90s classic here at Unique, especially in classics. This one's a 1992 Cadillac Brougham Sedan. Actual mile car, just a little over 68,000 on it is all. 5-liter V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold and has been converted to the 134A. Take a look at the chrome. As far as the grille, bumper, bright work up front on this one, looking good, as well as the Cadillac hood ornament intact. And look at the paint, folks. Victorian red metallic. Shows well on this one. Dark maple interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, which definitely, look at the underside. Floor pans, exhaust. It looks like a newer muffler, exhaust system on it. You'll be able to see the engine bay interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. New radial tires, the correct Cadillac wheel covers for this car. And let's look down the passenger side. Look at these long panels, how nice and straight they are. Remember, low mile cars, a little over 68,000 is all. No major nicks, dings, or scratches that I've noticed on this passenger side. You can also see any sort of lack of corrosion above the wheel wells, front and rear. Split bench seat. Leather in nice condition. Take a look at the top of the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. First, let's take a peek at this vinyl top, which is also showing very well. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. You can also see condition of the bright work in the lower portion of that vinyl top. Of course, electronic rear defog. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. First of all, look at the fit of this rear bumperette up against the filler panel. Great fit, filler panel in nice shape. If you're familiar with these cars, lots of times these filler panels kind of rot out, crack away with age. Sometimes bumpers get bumped, and you'll see these gaps tweaked, not fit as nice as that. Rear bumper, rub strip on it, looking pretty good. Just a couple spots where there's maybe just a little bit of pitting, but overall, I remember this car is over 30 years old. Again, take a look at the condition of the paint on the trunk. Check out the interior of the trunk. In with the still pictures. Look at how nicely this fits over here too. And then again, that filler panel, not rotted away or cracked. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time, look through those still pictures. Let's look down the driver's side of this car. If you like these classic Cadillacs, just like big cruisers, or maybe you like sports cars, street rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you will see come through here at UniqueClassicCars.com. Always something different. Videos uploaded daily. Take a look around the wheel well here. Also lack of corrosion down this driver's side. And again, you can see how straight those panels are and really free of much of any nicks, dings, or scratches. Definitely nothing major. Let's take a peek. Driver's side of the vinyl top. Looks as good as the passenger side. Of course, the Arlington, Texas plant built these. Armrests, door panels, nice shape. Take a look at the leather back here. Doesn't hardly look like it's been sat in. Backs of the seat, same way. About the headliner. Yep, just what you'd expect. All right, up front, Dual power seats, both sides, power windows, power locks, remote mirror. Again, take a look at the carpeting, nice shape, and you'll be able to see this all in the still pictures too. Just so you know, there's the true color of that interior. Sometimes with the reds, you get right up on top of it, it wants to wash it out. It's not too bad on this one. And as you can also see by the wear of the seats, it has been taken care of, no doubt about that. You just basically get this kind of natural wrinkling in the leather from the natural hide. It's kind of like a comfortable pair of shoes. No rips or tears, holes in those. Tilt column, telescoping wheel. We're going to go ahead and start this up. I'll show you the exact miles. And there you can see them, 68,328. Warning indicator lights would be up here kind of behind this trim piece when they are illuminated. No lights on. AM, FM cassette. Radio is working, by the way. Electronic climate control. AC blows cold. Mentioned that earlier. Look at how nice a shape this dash is. Passenger side of the seat, just as good of condition. Doors don't sound like that when you close them anymore. Wow. Sounds as it should, having that V8 underneath the hood. Remember, automatic with overdrive transmission. Love the color of this car. Paint shows well. Let me pause this real quick. I want to get this hood open, check out this engine bay with it running, and stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's the underside of the hood. Take a look at that, how clean that is. Doesn't look like this has been driven in much for inclement weather. I do want to point out one little thing over here, as I noticed when I was opening the hood. There is just kind of a real light scratch in the clear, nothing major. Thought I'd point it out because the paint does show well, and I want to mention that too. Look at just lack of corrosion in the engine bay on this car. You can tell it's not a Midwest car that's been driven in the winter. Like I said, really much of a inclement weather. Looks like a newer AC Delco alternator. I mentioned AC's been converted. 134. Wow, good looking engine bay. Smooth running car too. These usually don't last long, folks. Get tougher and tougher to come by in this kind of shape. And if you've driven them before, you know they go down the road. 1992 Cadillac Brougham Sedan. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1992 Cadillac Brougham. Very smooth riding Cadillac. We have digital gauges in the dash. It is an automatic on the column. The odometer showing only 68,326 miles. So a nice low mile Cadillac for its age for sure. Factory stereo. Sounds great. Wipers are working. Cruise control also working on this car. Very quiet ride. split bench seat with multiple positions of power settings and very comfortable. Very good power steering, and power brakes are working well. This car corners pretty well. It actually doesn't lean that much for a luxury vehicle. Kickdown is working on that automatic transmission. Accelerates as you would expect, nice and smooth. Great ride, great road tripping car in my opinion. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.